Bro, what the heck? What did you get? Oh my god. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam, bro. How are you? Yeah.
Jesus. Damn.
Voila.
You think we can fix it?
Yeah, look here.
You think we can fix it? This has got sides.
No power.
Huh?
No power.
Won't start?
No start, no power. And you know, which one I didn't see. Oh.
Ah. You can put Bondo and paint it.
Yeah, one and paint.
Yeah.
No need to cut or like that.
No need to cut.
The section was asked.
No need to cut. Look at the trunk. Yeah. See?
This no can't fix it.
No, this is.
How about this one?
Maybe this one is so. Well, you see, look at here. Maybe it can be pulled.
Yeah, and here.
Yeah.
Look here, bro.
More. It looks like we got more problem here. Look at the antenna.
What this?
The antenna is gone. The antenna. We can get one on our parts car.
The antenna?
Yeah. So it doesn't run. It doesn't start. Dude, this is gonna be a big headache.
Headache, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Looks like a side swipe here. Got hit right here.
Yeah. What is it? This frame is bent? No. Maybe not.
It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. We had to open this up. Take this out. Take this out.
Yeah. What do you want to put it in the inside?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is? Do you have poster?
Oh, it's not here. It's at home.
Do you have wire, cable?
It's at home.
Oh, they have car.
All right, let's bring it in. This is the LX. It's just a base and LX,
Yeah.
and then touring. Yeah, this is just low
Low
level. Yeah, LX.
low.
Yeah.
Not the middle.
No. All right, guys. The battery is dead, so here's a spare battery installed already. We're just gonna quickly walk around here. Why this thing got total loss? Look at, I got side swipe all the way. Got hit right over here. You can see that reservoir right here is just hitting on the serpentine belt. It's just eating it up while it's running the engine, and then the frame for sure is pushed in. There's the frame right there. You can see. Yeah, this whole thing has to come out. We'll have to take a look how bad is the frame, and then we're gonna have to get this to the shop, to the body shop, for them to pull the frame out. And we got a whole bunch of spare parts for this side. If you follow my channel, we had a spare Civic behind that fence that we've been taking out on this side, and the trunk got hit in the trunk, so the front was good. We've been taking out parts on this side. Now we have spare parts on this side right here. So we have lots of parts, especially on the fender, the door, both door. We have the tire, set of tires replacement. The hood in this one is not bad. It's just a little scuff mark right here. Just gonna clean buff that out. It's not bent or anything. So yeah, headlight on this side, we have those. Bumper, we don't have a bumper, so we had to get a bumper, impact bar, and who knows what else behind here. Apron, fender apron right here. You can see that thing got squished. Definitely need a new one. And the airbag. So let's take a look. Let's take a look here. All right. So seat airbag. We have a seat. We could use the seat airbag. Seat belt on the passenger is good. Driver is blowing the new one all the time. Anything in the accident, this seat belt back here is locked, so we need a new one of those. Same thing on this side, need a new one. Airbag is blowing on this side. This one is okay. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for the curtain, 5 and 6 right there. 6 parts inside the vehicle that needs to replace, and that's about it. And I'm guessing airbag module underneath the dash, in between the two seats here. There's a module in the middle. I believe that needs to be changed as well. Anything with a blow-in airbag on a 2021 Honda Civic, it needs to change and program. All right, let's start the engine, and hopefully this thing start. It's gonna be a noisy engine because this thing is gonna rub the belt to the reservoir here. Let's find out. All right, I can smell it, guys. It's burning right there. Wow. All right, let's turn it off, and let's bring this to the garage. Look at the camber on that thing. Oh, what is this? All right, that's it. This thing came off. Oh wow, it came off from that side. I don't know what this. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I can smell it now. All right, man, let's go. So you've been taking out this bumper, right? So let's take it out now. Everything is all taken out? Pull it out now. Yeah, let's see. Wow. Oh, the wire right there. Good job, man. Yeah, look at that. This is garbage.
Yeah, no sensor here, you like before.
No sensor.
No sensor.
Because it's just a low base model kind of thing. It's a LX.
We need the light, this one, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, there's not much to salvage, but to make room in our garage, we had to garbage this.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
but I take something, you know, I take the light. These,
sure.
Oh, this is still good.
Sure, take it out. Yeah. But back on the car here, you can see right there, guys. Yeah. This is where the big damage right there. This is exact the same thing as we had 2 months ago. So look at this. This is all cracked. Here's the frame. Exact the same thing here to the other side, but that we had a project.
But look better than before a little bit.
This is, yeah, it's not much. Yeah, so all right, I'll be surprised how this thing look like here. Yeah, we'll take out the tire next. So more fender and headlight is next, and a couple of these containers for the windshield washer. All right, we'll get back for a new update.